One owner, rare color combination, fully loaded. The Auto Gallery is exceptionally pleased to present this beautiful 2009 Maserati Gran Turismo S two-door coupe with an automatic transmission. Finished in Nero Carbonio black exterior and Rosso Carolo red leather interior, this Gran Turismo S is truly one of a kind. This one-owner Maserati has been very well maintained, regularly serviced, and with only 37,575 miles, it is in excellent condition. In addition to its luxurious standard factory equipment, this Maserati Gran Turismo boasts an extensive list of options that includes satellite navigation, 20-inch 7-spoke Neptune wheels, Nero Alcantara internal areas, Nero Alcantara headliner, satellite navigation, aluminum racing pedals, black piano interior molding, Nero black interior stitching, Nero black dashboard and rear shelf, and much more. Drive with peace of mind while this Maserati Gran Turismo S is still under its original factory warranty until December 5, 2012. This Gran Turismo S combines a gorgeous color combination, a tasteful option list, and performance unlike anything else on the road. As with all of our vehicles, it is Carfax certified. Please don't hesitate to call or visit our showroom with any questions you may have.
Buy with confidence only at the Auto Gallery, conveniently located at 24050 West Ventura Boulevard in Calabasas, California.